Namaste viewers, welcome to my channel. In today's video, we will learn about aura. So what is aura? By now you are aware that we have a Panch Kosha system. There are 4 invisible bodies around the physical body. So the next body around the physical body is the subtle energy body is seen and sensed in the form of aura. The energy body is like a blueprint of the physical body. It is just around the physical body, just outlining the physical body. This energy body is made up of collective energy in the chakras and the nadis or the meridians. Collectively, there is movement of energy which makes the auric field or the aura. Now, the color of aura varies from person to person. If it is made up of primary colors, bright colors, there is more light in the aura, then it is considered that the aura is vital. And if it is made up of dull colors, there is haze and the color is like grey, then it is considered that the aura is not vital or not healthy. Just as the color, there is variation in the size of the aura as well. For celebrities or people who are famous, who are spiritual, people who are on the heights of success and everything, they have a bigger aura. They have bigger field, bigger attraction, magnetic field. So people run after them. And on the other hand, somebody who's sick and who's diseased and has evil eye will have a very small aura. That is also cracked and irregular. So the energy field also changes, and when the energy field changes, there is change in the physical body also, because we all know that the energies are connected to each other. So the existence of aura has also seen in mythology as well. In many churches, we see that there is a formation of halo around all the divine godly energies or the godly figures are depicted in churches and old art in the form of a human being who have a halo or the light energy behind their crown. Even if you see God Buddha in Buddhism also, when he is meditating, a light halo or a bright light is seen behind his crown. So that light is aura. Light or the energy or the life force or the divine light is aura. If it is vital and 100% functional, it is bright and bigger. If it is not vital, it will be dark and dull and hazy. Aura forms a protective layer around our physical body. Since it is an energy body, it forms a protective layer around our physical body which protects us from the negative energies from outside, which may be diseases or evil eye or something like that. If the aura is vital, our body is protected. Since auric body is bioplasmic layer, it can be also compared with the thunderstorm, lightning or the northern lights on the North Pole. In northern lights, we see that there is colored lights. In the same way, the aura outside our body is colored, and the color comes from the chakras. We all know the 7 chakras have different colors. So the dominant chakra usually give the color to the aura, or in the way you are vibrating, your aura color also changes. Aura cannot be seen with the naked eye, because with the naked eye we only see the material or the 3D world. We cannot see the energy. However, there are some individuals who are clairvoyant, who can see or who have a vision that is beyond the normal vision. They can see the aura also and auric lights. They can see aura and auric field. But every human being can see aura with practice. If you keep your hand or thumb in front of a white wall and keep on gazing with the peripheral view, you will be able to see your aura. It takes a while to practice this technique, but if you do it constantly, soon you will start seeing your aura, the color of your aura and the light around your thumb or hand. There is a special photography that is known as Kildian photography, which is used to see the aura. People have captured images of aura through this photography. However, scientists around the world are still not convinced this aura or energy exists like that around the body. So if you look at this diagram, this is our soul and these are the Panchkosha layers, the 5 layers around the soul. The soul is seated deep inside the heart, and then there is the physical body, then there is energy body, then there is Manomaya Kosh or the mind, and then there are Vijnanmaya Kosh and Anandmaya Kosh. So normally people only have these 3 koshas which are functional for them, because people are not evolved spiritually, and these 2 koshas, the higher koshas, the Vijnanmaya Kosh and the Anandmaya Kosh, are not activated. So all the reactions for normal people happen together in these 3 koshas. Whatever are the changes in the energy body, they manifest in the physical body, and mind controls physical body and energy body. So thoughts change the energy, then it changes the physical body physical bodies change, mind will change, energy will change. So these three koshas work together, they are interconnected and they keep on changing all the time. Through our normal eyes, we cannot see aura, but with practice, we can see it to some extent, but our normal vision does not allow us to see the aura. We just see the matter, but we can sense the aura, and the sensing also works with the psychic ability. Usually everybody can sense aura, but some people who have heightened psychic sense, they sense it in a better way or in a finer way. So we can take example how to sense aura of the other people. So just imagine you are sitting in the party, there is a good mood, the environment is good, everybody is having fun, and suddenly a negative person has come in the room. The person has a negative aura, or the person is not a good human being. He has hate, jealousy, competitiveness, everything in his heart. He is not a good person. Or I can say he's a typical narcissist person. Then what will happen? His presence will affect the other people around. They will not like his presence. They will think, till now we were enjoying, we were having a good time, but suddenly what happened? Just the moment after he has come, I feel like, just leaving this party. So that is sensing of aura. Physical, that nothing has happened. Just a man has walked in the room. But you have sensed there is some kind of negativity or darkness or evil energy, you can say, in other words, that you cannot take his aura or his presence. So that is the way to sense aura of other people. Now, how can we experience our own aura? So you can take a scenario. You have to go in a party today. You are all dressed up. You worked hard. You had put on makeup, good dress, good shoes, accessories, everything. And then you went in the party. And the moment you entered, your friend came and said, "Oh my God, look at your dress. You don't look good today. Look at your shoes. They don't even match your dress. You are not looking that good." Then what will happen? Suddenly there will be thoughts rushing. I look bad. Oh yeah, my shoes are not matching my dress. I'm not looking good. Suddenly you start losing your confidence. Then what happened? The Manomaya Kosh works first. Thoughts coming, negative thoughts. Then the energy body. You will feel that your aura has just contracted. You will just feel that something has just shrunk now. And then the effect will come on the physical body. You will just feel underconfident. You will just droop down. You will feel just like that I have just contracted now. I'm not expanded anymore. And you will be in your thoughts. Oh, I'm looking so bad. What will they think? I'm not looking good today. How will I do this? Then with constant thoughts, your energy will be drained and you will shrink your aura or your auric field. And then the vitality of your aura will also change. You might get, into sickness. You are prone to sickness and disease now because your shield is broken and you might get evil eye or diseases now. So that is the case of shrinkage of aura. Now take another scenario. You had appeared in an examination. You did really well, but you were still scared and anxious. How will you perform? So you just went to your classroom and saw the result and you came to know that you have topped the examination. Then what will happen? Oh my God, I have topped. I'm the first one. I've scored full marks. Then what will happen? There will be good thoughts coming in your mind. Good thoughts. Your aura will expand. You will feel so happy. Your chest will just expand. Yes, I did it. And then physical symptoms. Your shoulders will be straight. Your back will be straight. Your hands will expand. Oh my God, I'm so happy I did it. Have you seen those pageants? Miss Universe, all the other ones. When they win, they are like, oh my God, I have done this. So all that process, that continuous skimming, which is going in the Manomaya, Pranamaya Kosh and Annamaya Kosh, that makes this all reaction. So that is how aura works. It expands, it shrinks, and this is how the energetic combinations or the energetic interactions takes place in the 3D world. Now we will see how science supports or scientific facts that support that aura is present around the body. So if we see, we know that according to science, everything around us is energy. The whole universe, the whole world is created with energy. And according to Coulomb's law, the physical property of matter is charge. So charge and energy are correlated to each other. Where there is charge, there is energy. Change in potential energy is directly proportional to the charge. So charge forms the basis of electrical activity or energy, maybe electrical energy. So if we consider our own body, the human body has electrical activity in it. The major organs, the heart and the brain, possess electrical activity, which we record. For heart, it is ECG or electrocardiography, and for brain, it is EEG or electroencephalography. So the electrical activities in heart and brain, the most vital organs, suggest that there is electricity or charge inside the body. Then biochemical reactions. There are numerous amount of chemicals secreted in the body which perform the vital functions of the body, and they are responsible to conduct the metabolism of the body. So there are numerous amount of chemicals. The major are the hormones, which are secreted by the endocrine glands. There are specific endocrine glands in different parts of the body, which is often related to the chakras. These endocrine glands secrete chemicals named as hormones directly into the bloodstream, and these hormones then perform actions. And there are other secretions as well. Besides the endocrine gland, there are secretion of exocrine enzymes or other secretions like saliva through the exocrine glands or the duct glands. So all these chemicals are organic in nature. So they are organic in nature. There is ion exchange. They are made up of carbon, and there is cation or anion, which also signifies the fact that there is always charge. So there is continuous synthesis of the chemicals, continuous formation, and the chemicals are formed, then used, then formed, then used. So all this process is going on continuously in the body without our knowing, and it happens with the help of exchange of charge, cation or the anion. Then comes the neurotransmitters. Neurotransmitters are important chemicals which are released between the two neurons, which helps in conduction of the nerve impulse. So the whole nervous system is based, or it works according to the electrical activity. There is repolarization, depolarization of the charge on the neuron or the nerve cell, which causes conduction of the sensation or the nerve impulse. We can say that we cannot be alive without nervous system. The nervous system is so important to take all the external information in the body and then work according to that information and perform actions according to that information. So the whole nervous system works based on the charge or the electrical activity. That means we cannot survive without this charge. When there is charge, the nervous system works accordingly. So it again forms very important base of nerve conduction and neural sensation. Then comes the electrolytes. Electrolytes are important salts, or there are different types of salts which break down into these ions. Again, they break into these ions: sodium, potassium, chloride, phosphate. Salts break down into these vital ions, which also again help in many different actions in the body. Mainly the sodium potassium ATPase pump, which helps in the active transport mechanism in the body. So again, charge, positive, negative, cation, anion, again charge is playing the vital role. And then comes the mitochondria, or the powerhouse of the body. If you consider a cell, we know that energy is synthesized in the mitochondria in the form of ATP. So whenever we eat food, we get energy, but that energy is converted so that it can be used by the cell in the form of ATP. So again, it shows that we need energy to survive, to live, because cell will die without energy. So everything gives us a clear indication that everywhere in the body there is charge, everywhere in the body there is energy. We cannot live without charge and energy, and matter only comprises of energy and charge. So it kinds of reflects, or it gives a support validation that aura is there, energy is there, and because all the processes in the body, all the functions, metabolism itself is conducted through charge and energy. So if you like today's video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.